So good afternoon, dear students, and fifth A students put their attendance first, and then fifth B students should put their attendance. Try to solve the question, note down from the board. Note down the question in your notebook and write the answer, in words also. First of all of you note down the question with today's date in your notebook. Today is 19 April. So all of you are writing the question, write in a proper manner and write the answer in words also. And please now don't comment, okay? Nobody will comment the answer now. Let the students put their attendance. Okay? So after that, one more question will be there for all of you. And put your section name also, A or B, when you are putting attendance. I think all of you are getting now the number of 6-digit number, 5, 7-digit number, and please put your question or doubt during the live class. अगर आपको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता है तो उसे पूछिए. All of you note down this in your notebook. Okay, Anurag, be on time. Okay, fine. So let us discuss the questions which are there on board. Out of how much is written on the board? Just comment in words in your chat box. What is this first digit written on board? Write it in words. The 6-digit number, what it is in words? Sai Shiv Krishna, you are in which section, Sai? One lakh 80,000. Yes, it's 1,80,000 here, and from this 1,80,000, we are subtracting how much? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So we know it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 18,734. So what is the number of medicines which left? So I think all of you know that for to find the number of medicines left, we are going to do the subtraction. Now, how we are doing subtraction? We are keeping one line just for to take carryover. Yes, we have 1873. Now, from 0, we can't subtract 4. We are taking carryover from 8. It becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 will become 9. Again 10 become 9, again 10 become 9, and lastly, finally we got 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6. I think now all of you able to write it in words. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. How much lakh? One lakh. How much thousand there? 60. Puja, be on time. During the class in the beginning only I am taking attendance. 1,61,266. So many of you are commenting in words, it's very good. Sixty-one thousand 266. This is the number of medicines which are left to be distributed. See, we are seeing the usage of large number in our day-to-day life. ठीक है, हम कहाँ किस तरह से इसको यूज कर पाएंगे? Why we are studying this? We know now the place value up to crore, but where to use? So here it is a one of the example. Suppose at one of the medical center, these many medicines came. Vitamin A. You know, nowadays we should have a good immunity. Okay, so different vitamins we should take. So in the same way, 18,734 medicines distributed. What are the number of medicines left? So we know that it is nearly 2 lakh medicines. Okay, 1 lakh 80,000 and only 18,000 distributed. So this is the number of medicines which are left. I want such type of very creative and means useful information from you all, okay, with large numbers. So start thinking in that same manner. Now I think all of you know here 1 meter is how much millimeter? 1 meter, as you know, if you raise your hand like this, it's come nearly 1 meter. 1000 millimeter. And if I ask you 1 kilometer is how much meter now? 1 kilometer जो आपका distance है, it contains how much meter? As you know that milli, centi, deci, then meter, then deca, hecto, kilo. Yes, already we done it in 4th class. Milli, centi, decimeter. Yeah, there is a difference of 1000. Same way from meter, we have to jump 3 times. So we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer जो distance है, I think all of you know when you were there on the ground. Yes, in our sports day competitions, we are having 100-meter race, 400-meter race. Fine. So that is only in meters. If we go for 1000 meter, it become 1 kilometer. Like if anybody of you know the distance from here, from our school, from Upperwali Gate to the transport, this main road outside, it is nearly 3 kilometers. Fine. So now what we want, 1 kilometer has how much millimeter? In 1 meter there is 1000 millimeter. So in 1000 millimeter, 1000, 1 में है 1000, तो 1000 में कितना होगा? हाउ मच इन 1000? 1000 into 1000. In 1 meter there is 1000 meter. So we want to calculate for 1000. 1000 multiplied by 1000, there are 386 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now what is written on board? Now I think we are able to talk about large numbers. ठीक है, अब हम जो है वो लार्ज नंबर की बात कर सकते हैं. Do anybody give any example from? Okay, fine. So there is an interesting question for all of you. Note down the question with me. Radius of Earth. Okay. अच्छा, अगर रेडियस आपको पता है, anybody of you know about radius? I think in 4th class you may studied circles. What do you mean by radius? Half of the diameter. Very good. और ये diameter क्या होता है? What is the meaning of diameter? Joining 2 points in a circle and passing through center. So if we have a circle, okay, and you know in circle there is center, a line segment which pass through the center and it joins the 2 points. See, this is A point and this is B point. Now the line segment which is joining AB and passing through center, it may be from anywhere, from anywhere we can draw the line, but it must pass through center. अच्छा, ये जो है आपका suppose CD. CD is a diameter or not? Yes or no? Tell me. CD diameter है क्या? CD is not the diameter. Yes, क्योंकि CD जो है वो हमारा सेंटर से पास नहीं हो रहा. So we are just recalling the diameter is the line segment passing through center and half of the diameter. Diameter का जो आधा होता है वो क्या हो जाता है हमारा radius. If the diameter is 10, the radius will be if the diameter is 10, radius will be radius will be 5. Yes. What is written on board? What is the radius of Earth in words? How much? How much thousand it is? Okay. 64,000. 64,000. No Akruti, it's 6,400. 6,400. For the radius of Mars, I just want to put comma. As per the Indian system, where should the first comma come? After 3 places. Now 1,000, 10,000. Here we have comma. Now just tell me how much meter. एक किलोमीटर में 1000 मीटर होते हैं. So 6,400 kilometer is how much in meter? If you want to convert kilometer into meter, 1 is equals to 1000. 6400 will be equal to yes, 2 zeros are here and we are going to multiply it by 1000. Yes, so 3 and 2, how many zeros should come? 5 zeros will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 64. I think ये तो हम सभी को पता है कि जब when we have given the value for 1 and asked for more, so we are going to multiply. हमें 1 किलोमीटर में अगर पता है कि 1000 मीटर होता है तो 6400 में 6400 into 1000, how much is there now? 64 lakh. Can you please tell me the difference? 64 lakh meter. इतना जो है meters में ना, I think do you know how much meter cloth you require for the stitching of your shirts? Suppose your school uniform, if you have to stitch, you have to give for stitching, so the tailor he will ask the cloth, so how much meter cloth you have to provide. People think this is a very big quantity. So now whose radius is more? Okay, Akriti is giving the distance between Ballarsha and Khandwa. Radius of Earth is more, and by how much? If you can find the difference. Twenty-one. Let me know. Fine. So now let us take some of the numbers. And we will try to write them in words. Like Akruti given here, one data for us. The question is write in words. And before writing, we will put it in comma. Like okay, fine. So here I am making a table. All of you may also make the same. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay, fine. The next number. Three students answered here. Fine, it is written like this. 1 crore 28 lakh 7,008. Now the problem is what? If it in words we give, okay, अगर आपको words में दिया हुआ है, then if we tell you to write it in figure, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? डायरेक्टली लिख रहे हैं 1 करोड़, okay, how much lakh? 28 lakh. चलिए, अब 7,000. अब कुछ स्टूडेंट्स वहां पर क्या करेंगे, अगर जिनको प्लेस वैल्यू का अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं आ रहा है तो डायरेक्टली यहाँ 7 लिखेंगे and they will write 8, which is totally wrong. Yes, so this table is going to help us. Fine, ये हमें इसलिए हेल्प करता है जब हमारे पास इस तरह से ये चार्ट बना हुआ है. So we know that okay, 1 crore 28 lakh. Now how much thousand? 7,000. So 10,000 के प्लेस पे क्या आएगा? 0. And there is no 100. There is no tens. Directly we have I think is it clear to you? Take the help of this place value table and try to write it in a correct manner. Okay, अगर हम इस तरह से टेबल का हेल्प लेते हैं तो हमें समझ में आ रहा है कि 10,000 प्लेस पर कुछ नहीं है तो वहां 0 होगा. इसी तरह से 100 और 10 भी क्या हो चुका है यहाँ पर? 0. So please be regular in class. And I think you may talk to your friends also. अगर आपके जो best friends हैं क्लास में उनसे अगर बात होती है तो inform them that the class is going on. Regular we are taking your attendance. So attend the class and be regular. So thanks everyone. And do the homework and submit. This one of the homework is given already in Google Classroom. Many students have submitted. Those who have not submitted, go to Google Classroom and submit. Thank you everyone.